Here is week 4's checklist. And for this week, January 26th through February 1st, mainly we're just having a test. So make sure that you've signed up in Smarter Proctoring for the test, if you haven't done so already. And again, you're going to have 2 additional documents, the cover sheet and the conversion sheet. So that'll be the exact same thing you have in your lab manual that you've been using to do your conversions. And again, a warning to refrain from discussing the test. Our attendances will be going to the test center, and the other one will be due on Monday, January 30th at 4 p.m. This is a required attendance. This is a post, and you will either post the question on this discussion board post, or you will answer one of your classmates' questions in order to get credit for your attendance. And I want it to be done by Monday at 4 o'clock, because I'm then going to plan on a live webcast review. That's the review that you'll get in your information on the test in week 4. And I'll show you that in a minute. But I'm going to do that webcast from 4:30 to 5:30. You can attend live, but if you can't attend at that time, there will also be a link to YouTube. Okay, so this link to the webcast will also take you to YouTube, and you can go over, you can't ask me questions because you won't be live, but you can go over what I've covered. I'm going to try to cover all of the review and any questions that are on this post. Okay, so for your grade this week is your test, and you will have an Excel portion of the test, and you will submit that on Blackboard. I'll show you in a minute where you're going to find that, okay? And there will also be instructions on your test cover form. All right, so let's go to Blackboard, week 4. Sorry about that, guys. And we're going to go to Unit 1 test information, okay, which includes all this information here. And in there you have a review, and it does give answers, and it does also give you a portion to review on your Excel file, and that is also posted here. The answer is in Excel, so you can actually go in and click in the little cells and see what formulas I used, so that you can know how to do it if you don't understand how to do it from the review. Okay, this is where you're going to submit your Excel file when you get to the testing center. You'll have access to a computer and to Excel to create your Excel portion of your test. It's not available right now, but it'll be available once the testing window opens, that January 31st through February 1st, those 2 days, Tuesday and Wednesday. And so you'll just click on here, and you'll be able to begin and upload your Excel file that you create. Okay? All right. Also in the Unit 1 test information in week 4, lessons in week 4, there are a couple of videos that give you information on some of these conversions. This one's a rate conversion. And this one also is that type of conversion, but this will just give you some extra help with these conversions. I'll also be going over conversions on the webcast. And then at the very bottom here, I will post the test keys once I have graded and recorded grades on all of the tests. And so you can go back and look at it. You can even go into, there will be a separate key for the Excel, and you can click in the cell in Excel, and you will see which formulas I used in case you didn't get them right. Okay, because you still need to know this information for your final exams. So your tests actually are a very good tool to study from. So hang on to your tests. You will get them back. I will email a scanned copy of your tests that were graded. Okay, and that's it for this week. I wish everybody well on the test.